Hi, today we are going to teach you what to do with this plantain. So first we are going to peel it. When we peel it, we are going to cut it and put it into our blender. So encourage us, give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe to our channel. Share our videos to other people. Then we'll add half cup of sugar into the blender. Then we'll add 1/2 tablespoon of instant dry yeast alongside with 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we'll add 1 cup of water and we're going to blend it. This won't take long. So in a bowl, you're going to turn this mixture into a bowl so that we'll be able to add our flour. By the way, I forgot this particular mixture, you can add your onion and pepper into it and blend. So I forgot to do that. I had blended it separately. So we'll add 3 cups of flour into this plantain mixture. And we'll stir it, we'll mix it together, combine it together. Then I'll go straight ahead and pour in my onion and pepper mix. So I had to blend this separately, 1 bulb of onion and then few fresh peppers. So we'll mix it together. And then this is just the consistency you want. So you cover with a dry towel and let it rest for 10 minutes. So after this is 10 minutes, we are pouring in our oil into the pan. So you simply use your hand to scoop. You can use anything to scoop. So I use my hand just to scoop and pour it into the oil. So if this is done right, it's going to form by itself, and then you can easily turn it from one side to the other. This is how it looks like, and then this is how we've turned some part already. So this is our finished product. Enjoy.